Yo, we're diving deep in the anatomical zone, the infratemporal fossa where the magic is shown. Nerves, muscles, vessels, all up in the space. Let's break it down slow, keep up with the pace. The active fossa where the action's at. Nerves and vessels, now let's chat. Bound by mandible, maxilla 2. Zygomatic arch, we're coming through. Deep to the zygomatic, behind the maxilla. The IT fossa vibes, now let me thrill ya. Ramus of the mandible forms the lateral wall. Medial pterygoid plate standing tall. Muscles we got, medial lateral pterygoid. Temporalis sneaks in, keeping things employed. Maxillary artery, big time supplier. Fuels the face like a power amplifier. Nerves in the mix, mandibular nerve. Cranial V3 got the whole place served. Branches like buckle in lingual arise. Inferior alveolar, feel it deep inside. It's the IT fossa where the action's at. Nerves and vessels, now let's chat. Bound by mandible, maxilla 2. Zygomatic arch, we're coming through. Maxillary artery with 15 branches strong. Feeds muscles, bones, keeps it going all day long. Middle meningeal splits, the auriculotemporal. Dura's powered up, this artery's exceptional. Inferior alveolar runs to the chin. Through the mandibular canal, let the story begin. Lingual nerve vibes with the tongue it supplies. Taste anterior 2/3, what a surprise. Chorda tympani, joins in the ride. Facial nerve branch, it's got nothing to hide. Parasympathetic salivary glands in its care. Teamwork in the fossa, nerves everywhere. Pterygoid venous plexus flows in style. Facial vein to cavernous sinus mile by mile. Infections here, a cranial threat. Keep it clean, no regrets. It's the IT fossa where the action's at. Nerves and vessels, now let's chat. Bound by mandible, maxilla 2. Zygomatic arch, we're coming through. So that's the IT fossa, the space in your head where muscles, nerves, and vessels are spread. Now you know the zone, anatomy's boss. The infratemporal fossa, knowledge unlocked. Ed med with rap romed, join the movement now. Follow for more, stay tuned, we'll show you how. Catch us on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and X. Like, share, follow, and find us at the next.